A long time ago, there was a beautiful forest in the Philippines. There were a lot of tall and green trees. Noong unang panahon, may magandang kagubatan sa Pilipinas. Marami itong mga matataas at luntiang puno. There was a magical bird that lived in the forest. She could heal people who were sick. May isang mahiwagang ibon sa kagubatan na nagpapagaling ng may sakit. There was a kingdom near the forest named Burbania. It was ruled by King Fernando and Queen Valeriana, and they had three sons. May isang kaharian malapit sa gubat na pinangalan ng Burbania. Ito ay pinamumunuan ni na Haring Fernando at Reyna Barliana na may tatlong anak na lalaki. The king was sick. He told the princess that whoever could find the magic bird would be the next king. Ang hari sa kaharian ay may sakit. Sinabi niya sa kanyang tatlong anak na prinsipe kung sino man ang makahanap sa mahiwagang ibon ay maaaring maging susunod na hari. The first son was named Don Pedro. He went to the forest to find the magical bird. Ang unang anak na lalaki na nagngangalang Don Pedro ay pumunta sa kagubatan upang hanapin ang mahiwagang ibon.
I wonder where is that bird. I need to find it. Nagtataka ako kung nasaan ang ibong iyon na kailangan kong hanapin.
He looked around for the bird. Tumitingin siya sa kapaligiran para hanapin ang ibon.
Oh magical bird, where are you? I hope that I will find you as soon as possible. O mahiwagang ibon, nasaan ka na? Sana matagpuan na kita sa lalong madaling panahon.
But the prince didn't return back to the kingdom after many days. Ngunit nalaman ng mga tao sa kaharian na hindi siya bumalik na maraming araw.
The first prince didn't come back for many days. Ang unang prinsipe ay hindi na bumalik ng maraming araw. I wonder about that too. I just saw him a few days ago. Nakapagtataka, nakita ko lang siya nung isang araw.
The second prince was worried, so he decided to look for the prince and the bird. Ang pangalawang prinsipe na kanyang ikinabahala ay nagdesisyon siyang hanapin ang unang prinsipe at ang ibon.
I need to find my brother as soon as possible. Kailangan kong mahanap ang kapatid ko sa lalong madaling panahon.
The second prince went to the forest to try to find the first prince and the magical bird. Ang pangalawang prinsipe ay pumunta sa kagubatan upang hanapin ang unang prinsipe at ang mahiwagang ibon.
I'm so worried. I hope my older brother is okay. Nag-aalala na ako. Sana nasa mabuting kalagayan lang si kuya.
He found his brother but he did not see the magical bird. Nakita niya ang kanyang kapatid ngunit hindi niya natagpuan ang mahiwagang ibon.
Oh my brother, you're here. Have you found the bird? Andito ka pala. Nahanap mo na ba ang ibon? I'm sorry but I haven't found it. Paumanhin, ngunit hindi ko ito natagpuan.
They went back to the kingdom. Bumalik sila sa kaharian.
Brother, did you find the bird? Kuya, nahanap mo na ba ang ibon? I tried my best but I didn't find the bird. Sinubukan ko ang lahat, ngunit hindi ko nakita ang ibon.
The youngest prince did not want to give up. He went to the forest at ang pinakabatang prinsipe ay ayaw sumuko pagkatapos ay pumunta siya sa kagubatan.
I don't want to give up. I will try my best to find the magical bird. Ayokong sumuko. Gagawin ko ang aking makakaya para mahanap ang mahiwagang ibon.
The third prince was walking in the forest and found the magical bird. Ang ikatlong prinsipe ay naglalakad siya sa kagubatan at tatagpuan ng mahiwagang ibon.
Oh, there you are, magical bird. I was looking for you for days. Ayan ka na pala ang magical bird na hinahanap kita ng ilang araw.
He caught the magical bird and brought it to the kingdom. Nahuli niya ang mahiwagang ibon at idinala ito sa kaharian.
Finally, I found you, magical bird. Sa wakas, natagpuan na kita mahiwagang ibon.
The third prince was glad that he finally found the magical bird. He learned that it takes patience, sacrifice, and endurance before he can get what he wants. Natuwa ang ikatlong prinsipe na sa wakas ay natagpuan na niya ang mahiwagang ibon. Natutunan niya na kailangan ng pasensya, sakripisyo at pagtitiis bago mo makuha ang gusto mo. The magical bird became a human. She sang and healed the king. At ang magical bird ay naging tao para kantahan at pagalingin ang hari. La 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 la! The king was healed and then he named the bird Ibong Adarna. At pagkatapos niyang tratuhin ang hari ay pinangalanan siya ng ibon na Ibong Adarna.
So I'll name you Ibong Adarna. Kaya Ibong Adarna ang ipapangalan ko sa'yo.
That's a good name, Your Majesty. Magandang pangalan yan, kamahalan.
Thank you for finding the magical bird that healed me, my son. Salamat sa paghahanap ng mahiwagang ibon na nakapagpagaling sa akin, aking anak. My pleasure, Father. I would do anything for you. Walang anuman aking ama. Gagawin ko ang lahat para sa iyo.
The king decided that his youngest son who saved him would be the next king. Age doesn't determine your ability. Nagpa siya ang hari na ang kanyang ikatlong anak ang magiging susunod na hari. Hindi tinutukoy ng edad ang iyong kakayahan.